Now, greetings, fellow grade 12s. It's Mr. Shajai here. Welcome to Back to Basics. Basically, in this particular video, we are going to be looking and focusing strictly on our prelim paper, which is going to be the Mpumalanga 2023 paper, and see in terms of what questions were they given in there, right? Yeah. And the first question they say, show that the end term of this sequence can be or is Tn n squared subtract 42n plus 360. So this one is almost going to be very much easier. The first thing that we are going to do, we are going to say this is going to be 319, and this is going to be same as 280, and this is going to be same as 243, and this is going to be same as what? 208, right? And the other one is going to be 175, right? Let's just write these ones. Now you can start by finding out firstly you can start by find out the first difference. Now, what is going to be the first difference here? Now, the first difference that you are going to have here, this is going to be same as negative 39. When you say 243 subtract 280, now what is this? Is going to be same as negative 37. This is going to be same as negative 35, right? This is same as negative 35. And obviously, this is going to be same as negative 33, right? Oh, it's okay. So basically that is going to be that. And when you are going to move again, you are going to find out what is going to be the second difference. And the second difference is going to be given by 2, right? It's going to be given by 2. It's going to be given by 2. It's going to be given by 2. Now that you know that, then you are going to continue. You are going to come back and say, look, now your 3a, you're going to start by finding firstly your value of your a. It's going to be 2a is equals to what? Your 2a is going to be equals to your 2. So basically, you're going to take your 2a and equate it with this, right? So which means the value of your a that you're going to find here, it's going to be same as 1, right? Then secondly, you are going to say, look, your 3a plus b is going to be equals to what? Is going to be equals to your negative 39, right? Is going to be equal to your negative 39, which means basically this is going to be same as 3 into 1 plus your b is equals to negative 39. And thereafter, the value of your b that you are going to find here, this is going to be 3. When you take this 3 to the side, this is going to be negative what? This is going to be same as negative 42, right? And then the value of your c is going to be given by a plus b plus c, which is equals to 319, right? So now let's come back and substitute the A. The A is 1, the B is negative 42, plus your C is equals to 319. Now, when you add all of these, you are going to realize that now the value of your C that you are going to find here is going to be 360, which indeed proves that now your Tn that you are having here, Tn is going to be same as what? N squared subtract 42n plus your 300, right? Which is the ones that we've calculated. So which means indeed this is going to be one and the same thing. Now let's move to 2.1.2. They say determine the value, the term that has a value of 0, right? Now, how do we do that? So basically they are saying find out where your Tn is equals to 0. When your Tn is equals to 0, they want you to find out what are going to be the values of n there. So which means this is going to be same as your n squared subtract 42n. This is going to be plus what? This is going to be plus 360. This is going to be close to your 0. Now you come back, you do what? You come back, you substitute. This is going to be your n. This is going to be your n. Obviously, you are factorizing here. When you are factorizing here, look, this is same as when you say 12 multiplied by 30, you are getting 360, which means this is going to be negative and negative, as this is going to be your positive. Therefore, which means your value of your n here is going to be 12, or the value of your n is going to be equal to 30. So basically, those are the two values that they are looking for in here, right? Now let's continue swiftly along. Now we are going to look at 2.1.3. Now 2.1.3, they say, which term in this sequence will have the lowest value? So now I want you to understand this. Look, whenever they are talking of a lowest value, right? Now remember that this is same as what? This is Tn is given by n squared subtract 4n, or rather 42n plus 360. Now this we can also apply some of the concept of your quadratic functions, right? And as we apply some of the concept of the quadratic pattern, what is the first thing that you can do? Look, you can find firstly the turning point, because the turning point will help you to understand in terms of what value is going to be the what value is going to be the lowest value in here, right? So how do you find the turning point? We find the turning point the same way as we find the turning point of our of our quadratic pattern. So which means this is going to be what? This is going to be same as n is equals to negative b over 2a. Remember, in our quadratic functions, we also use this particular formula, right? So this is going to be same as negative into negative 42 close bracket. This is same as 2. What is the value of your a? Your value of your a is 1. So therefore, this is going to be same as 42 over 2. And what is 42 over 2? You are going to get this as 21, right? And now, which means now, here, your term 21 here, your n is equal to 21, which means your t of 21 is going to be the lowest, is going to be the lowest in here, right? How to get. So basically, that is going to be how we are doing it, right? Now, 2.2, this 2.2, we are given our arithmetic pattern, right? Now, in 2.2, we are given our arithmetic pattern. Now, let's find out in terms of what is this going to be, right? Now, in here, they want you to do what? Now, here you are given that you're having 3t, you're having 4t subtract 1, you're having 23. Are the first 3 terms of the arithmetic sequence. They say prove that t is equals to 5. Simple. This is same as 3t, right? This is 3t. And then the other one is given by 4. 4t subtract 1, and the other one is given by what? It's given by 23. So now, since this is an arithmetic, you are going to just start by using the standard procedure. You find out what is going to be the difference, right? Now, the difference here, it's going to be 4t subtract 1. Then this is going to subtract what? This is going to subtract 3t. Don't forget to write these in your bracket. Secondly, now what else are you going to write here? This is going to be 23, subtract your 4t, subtract 1, right? Now, when you're continuing with this, right, you can simply just equate this because your differences must be the same. So they must be equal, right? So then, which means this is going to be 4t, subtract 1, subtract 3t is equals to what? This is equals to 23. Subtract 4t plus 1. And now from here, what else are we then going to have? You can simply just take this one here. When you say 4t subtract 3t, this is t subtract 1 is equals to, this is same as 24 subtract 14, right? When you take this t this side, this is going to be same as 5t is equals to what? Is equals to 25 when you take this one this other side. So which means you divide by 5 here, divide by 5, your value of your t indeed is equals to 5, right? So basically, this is how you are going to solve this particular question. Now, let's look at now the last question. They say, calculate the sum of the first 50 term of this series, right? To calculate the sum of the first 50 term of this series is going to be very much easy, right? Now, but how can we do that? Now, in order for you to do that, you need to firstly find out what are these first 3 terms and find out the value of your a and also the value of your what? The value of your d, right? Now, remember that you are given by 3t, right? So this is going to be 3. The value of your t, you've already found that it's 5. So this is going to be 3 into 5. Right? The second value, it's going to be given by what? It's going to be given by 4 into your 5, subtract 1. And then the third value is given by 23, which means now the first values, this is 15, this is 19, and this is 23. And which means now your d's or your value or your difference here, it's going to be 4. It's going to be 4. So whenever you want to calculate the sum of 50 terms, the sum of 50 terms now is going to be given by the formula n over 2 is equals to 2a plus into n subtract 1, close bracket, your d, right? So therefore, what is going to be your n over 2? Now, so this is simply going to be 50 over 2, open bracket, 2. What is the value of your a? Your value of your a is given by 15. This is going to be, then this is going to be same as what? This is going to be same as 15 into, the n, they said it's 50. So this is going to be 50 subtract 1, close bracket, your d is 4, right? Your d is 4, right? Sorry about that. Hopefully you can see. So which means your S of 50 is going to be given by what? It's going to be given by 5650, right? 5650. I would again, or 5,650, right? So basically, this is how you are supposed to answer this question. Thank you very much.